So it's an electrified vehicle, all set to take you on a new journey. It is India's most loved, trusted and best-selling SUV brand, the Creta. It is now an all-new avatar, which is the electric avatar. Can you check the clicker, please? So friends, in India, we started the SUV revolution in 2015 with the launch of the first gen Hyundai Creta. Since then, Creta has been the undisputed leader in its segment for the past 10 years. It opened new possibilities for our customers, offering a perfect blend of style, technology and value. Today, we are proud to have nearly 1.1 million satisfied Creta owners, a testament to the lasting impact that Creta had on our life of our customers. Now, with the launch of the Hyundai Creta Electric, we have a Creta for everyone, offering a perfect mix of innovation, sustainability and performance to cater to the needs of our customers. Moreover, the Creta also marks Hyundai's entry into the rapidly growing mass premium SUV EV segment, and it will be the first locally produced electric vehicle from Hyundai for the Indian EV market. As a part of our customer-centric approach, we actively engage in market research activities to identify our customer expectations and the reasons why they purchase or reject a model. Our customer insight suggests that Creta EV buyers are young, passionate, eco-conscious and tech-savvy individuals. They seek new experiences and embrace new dynamic and forward-thinking and caring lifestyle. Now, if you look at the top key buying factors for the mid SUV segment, it includes need for over 300 plus kilometer driving range, brand trust and reliability, spacious and comfortable cabin, after-sales service network, exterior styling, performance and advanced technologies. So I'll just take a minute here. The reason why after-sales support is very important in India market is the current models in the market today, they are not very reliable. Though being in the market, there is an option that you can buy an EV, but is it reliable? That's a question mark. So that's why customers seek for a very reliable product from a reliable brand. So addressing these aspirations of our customers, Hyundai Creta Electric is positioned as a bold and futuristic SUV with spacious interiors and high-tech features. It promises superior range and performance backed by Hyundai's brand trust and reliability, thus offering a whole new level of electric vehicle SUV vehicle experience. Friends, the exceptionally strong product attributes of the Hyundai Creta Electric are broadly classified under 6 key pillars based on EVOLVE, which stands for electrified exteriors, vibrant interior, outstanding space and comfort, leading technologies, vivid performance and exceptional safety. Now let me briefly take you through each of these pillars. The Hyundai Creta Electric exudes a dynamic design that evokes a sense of power and confidence in every drive. It showcases a true SUV character through its upright bonnet, straight roofline, high ground clearance of 200 mm and a tall stance. The Creta Electric also prominently features Hyundai's global pixelated design theme, which is a fusion of contemporary aesthetics and progressive design. The Horizon LED positioning lamps and DRLs, complemented with the LED sequential turn indicators, lend a futuristic look while enhancing the SUV's high-tech appeal. The Creta Electric is not just stylish, it's also intelligent. The innovative active air flaps enhance aerodynamics and also increase the cooling efficiency. They open to boost airflow when the internal components need cooling, while otherwise remain shut to reduce the drag or improved range efficiency. Additionally, The charging port features a multi-color surround light and state of charge indicator, providing a convenient way to track the charging status from outside. In case of a malfunction, the surround light turns red, signaling the need for a necessary action. So this particular feature is UX, we would like to say it's an UX for the customers, and it has been identified basis the customer research, wherein customers have said in the dark it's difficult to find or locate the charging port. So this surround light is added to enable them to easily locate the charging port, adding to the user experience. Further enhancing the vehicle aerodynamics, the Creta Electric features precision engineered 17-inch aero wheels paired with low rolling resistance tires, optimizing both efficiency and performance. At the rear, the dynamic design is perfected by the aerodynamic spoiler and the stylish shark fin antenna. Further, the connected design theme is also extended to the LED tail lamps, including the LED sequential indicators and the LED reverse lamp, creating a visual harmony and a high-tech distinctive appeal. Friends, the vibrant interior of the Hyundai Creta Electric is a harmonious blend of modern, human-centric design and advanced technology. Step inside the cabin and you are greeted by an immersive virtual cockpit experience featuring dual curvilinear screens for infotainment and cluster, lending a high-tech appeal to the interior. The floating console, highlighted by soothing ocean blue surround ambient lighting, enhances the sense of openness in the cabin. The eco-friendly seat upholstery of the Creta Electric uses sustainable material like corn extracts and recycled plastic bottles, thus showcasing Hyundai's commitment to sustainability, while the Creta Electric branding on the front seats add to the premium appeal of the cabin. Further enhancing the innovative appeal of the interiors, the premium 3-spoke steering wheel features 4 dots that represents H in Morse code. Along with the touch-sensitive DATC control, creates a perfect blend of style and sophistication. Now let's look at the outstanding space and comfort of the Creta Electric. It features an expansive cabin that offers segment-leading space in both the first and second row, ensuring unmatched comfort for all passengers whether you're driving or relaxing in the back. The impressive 2610mm long wheelbase optimizes the interior cabin space, ensuring ample room for all occupants and enhancing overall comfort for every journey. Additionally, the Creta Electric features a scooped seat back design that further enhances the knee room for the second row occupants, offering them more comfortable and spacious seating experience, especially on long journeys. Further, enhancing the sense of openness in the cabin, the generous headroom, shoulder room and the large DLO area offer an airy and unobstructed view, ensuring a more comfortable and enjoyable experience for all the passengers. The luxurious cabin is complemented by premium features such as 8-way powered front seat for both driver and passenger, driver memory seat function that also includes a welcome retract and can save preference for up to two users, and also the walk-in device function which offers a luxurious chauffeur-driven experience. It allows the rear passenger to electrically adjust the front row seat for additional. Further, enhancing the lounge-like experience in the second row, it is equipped with second row reclining seat backrest, rear window curtain and rear center armrest with cup holder. Moreover, the excellent thigh support ensures that you feel at home wherever you go. To ensure effortless exit and entry into the Creta Electric, the spacious cabin of the Creta Electric is designed for easy ingress and egress, making it ideal for families and elderly passengers. Complementing the diverse lifestyle needs of our customers, the Creta Electric offers a spacious 433-litre boot space and an additional trunk of 22 litres, providing extra storage for luggage, groceries, etc. This enhances both convenience and functionality, offering true versatility of space. Furthermore, the cabin is thoughtfully designed with innovative storage solutions like the open console storage with lamp. These integrated storage features are aimed to utilize the space efficiently while maintaining a clean and uncluttered environment inside the cabin. Additionally, the seatback table with the IT device holder and retractable cup holder ensures utmost convenience for all the passengers. Friends, moving on to the leading technology, next pillar, the Hyundai Creta Electric is equipped with cutting-edge smart solutions promising a journey into the future. The innovative ADAS-linked regenerative braking maximizes range by automatically adjusting the regenerative braking level based on the traffic condition ahead. Additionally, using the paddle shifters, you can manually adjust the regen brake intensity from level 1 to level 4. The I-pedal is activated at max mode of regen braking, where you can accelerate, decelerate, or come to a complete stop using just the accelerator pedal. To bring the car to a complete stop, you just have to lift your foot off the accelerator pedal and the vehicle will stop. For seamless access to your SUV, the Hyundai Creta Electric comes equipped with a digital key, allowing you to use your smartphone or your smartwatch to lock, unlock or start your vehicle. Additionally, it enables you to offer vehicle access to multiple users by sharing up to 3 digital keys at a time with family and friends. The advanced digital cockpit of the Creta Electric comes with standard application of 10.25-inch digital cluster, offering seamless access to EV specific information such as state of charge, range information, regenerative braking level and other EV specific alerts. The digital cockpit also features a 10.25-inch and can be easily operated through voice commands for added convenience and ease of use. To keep your beverages cool and fresh, there are multiple cooled storage options in the Creta Electric, such as the cool glove box or the cool storage in the driver armrest storage. Moreover, to elevate your driving experience, the Creta Electric is also equipped with rain sensing wipers and shift by wire technology, making every drive effortless and intuitive. Now moving on to the most important aspect of the Creta Electric, performance. Creta Electric is designed to dominate from city streets to rugged terrains. With an instant torque and quick response, it delivers an exhilarating driving experience, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.9 seconds, making it not only powerful but also incredibly agile and responsive on the road. The Creta Electric comes with a choice of 2 battery packs. The 51.4 kW battery pack offers impressive 171 PS of power and 473 km range for a dynamic and thrilling drive, while the 42 kWh battery pack offers 135 PS of power and excellent range of 390 km, thus ensuring that you're never out of range. Adding to the carefree drive experience, the game-changer 11 kW AC charging capability of the Creta Electric enables quick home charging from 10% to 100% in just 4 hours. Further, it also supports fast DC charging from 10% to 80% in just 58 minutes with a 50 kW DC charger and 39 minutes with the 100 kW DC charger that will be available from the second half of this year. Please note, this upgrade of 100 kW will also be applicable to cars sold until the period through a software update. One of the key factors behind the powerful performance of the Creta Electric is the high performance NMC battery pack that delivers uncompromising power. The NMC batteries are driving force behind numerous Hyundai performance vehicles globally, as well as for other luxury brands, thanks to its outstanding advantages like high energy density, excellent power to weight ratio and compact size, all of which contribute to an exhilarating power performance and remarkable driving range. The advanced battery pack of the Creta Electric is secured with multiple intelligent systems to ensure high safety levels. It carries over the battery management system BMU unit from the globally acclaimed IONIQ series, which continuously monitors the battery voltage, temperature, and other critical battery operations to ensure peak performance and safety. That's not all. For added safety, the high voltage fuse automatically disconnects the battery in case of overcurrent or short circuit situations. Furthermore, the battery pack has also undergone rigorous testing under challenging conditions. With the IP67 rating, it provides protection against water and dust ingress. It is capable of functioning up to 30 minutes while submerged under 1 meter of water. Additionally, the Creta Electric battery pack has also undergone drop test from a height of 16 feet, thus further reinforcing the commitment to customer safety. Complementing the high-performance battery, the advanced and compact power electric system is highly efficient and reliable. It includes components carried over from global Hyundai models, the advanced integrated traction motor and the gear drive unit applies torque ripple reduction design to reduce NVH and uses anti-corrosion bearing for high durability. The 400 volt ICCU unit integrates 11 kilowatt onboard charger and a 2.4 kilowatt low DC converter while also supporting the V12 function. Friends, the Creta Electric is engineered to perform consistently under various challenging conditions. The battery heater ensures optimal performance even in extreme cold temperatures as low as -35 degrees. The vehicle's gradability is tested for a 40% incline, providing a stress-free driving experience on steep terrains. Additionally, it has undergone a water soak test wherein the vehicle was driven into a 420 mm water depth, stopped for 120 seconds and then driven down without any issue, thus showcasing the Creta Electric's unwavering reliability in almost all environments. Furthermore, every journey deserves the assurance of exceptional safety, and the Creta Electric drives this vision forward.